chocolate. Just the word makes our mouths water. But did you know its story goes back thousands of years? Ancient civilizations in Central and South America once considered chocolate a divine gift. Back then it was consumed as a bitter drink, and today it's one of the world's favorite sweets. The journey begins with the cacao tree, which grows in tropical regions like Africa, South America, and Asia. From these trees come cacao beans, the true heart of chocolate. Once they arrive at the factory, the very first step is inspection and cleaning. Workers carefully check every single bean, removing anything defective to make sure only the best ones make it into the final product. Quality starts right here. Next comes roasting, a key step that unlocks the bean's deep flavor and rich aroma. The beans are roasted at just the right temperature and time, usually between 30 minutes to an hour, to achieve the perfect profile. After roasting, the beans are cracked open, and the outer shell is separated from the cocoa nibs in a process called crushing and winnowing. The shells are discarded while the nibs continue the journey. Those nibs are then finely ground into what's called chocolate liquor, a thick paste made of cocoa solids and cocoa butter. This is the foundation of every chocolate bar. From here, things start getting really interesting. The next stage is mixing and refining. The chocolate liquor is blended with sugar, milk powder, and sometimes vanilla. Then it's refined again and again until the mixture becomes silky smooth. Depending on the type of chocolate, this step can last just a few hours or several days for premium varieties. At this point, chocolate makers can add their own creativity, mixing in nuts, fruits, or other flavors to give the chocolate its unique taste and texture. But before it can be shaped, it must go through one of the most important steps: tempering. Tempering means carefully heating and cooling the chocolate so it develops that glossy finish and the signature snap when you bite into it. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds, forming it into bars, coins, or other shapes. Once set, it's packaged, wrapped in foil or paper to keep it fresh and protected, then boxed up and shipped to stores around the world. So that's the journey, from cacao bean all the way to the delicious chocolate in your hands. But now, let's take it one step further. Have you ever wondered what makes a Kit Kat so irresistibly delicious? That perfect snap, the crispy wafer, the rich chocolate? It's more than just a treat. It's the result of a fascinating global journey. Our story begins thousands of miles away in the lush cocoa fields of West Africa. Under the intense tropical sun, skilled farmers carefully hand-pick ripe cocoa pods during harvest season. Inside each pod are the prized cocoa beans, which are laid out to dry naturally for about 8 days, locking in their bold, earthy flavors. But only the best make it to the next step. Each bean goes through strict quality control, tested for moisture, size, and aroma before heading into one of the world's largest chocolate factories. Once inside, the transformation begins. First, the beans are thoroughly cleaned in massive rotating drums and blasted with powerful air jets to remove any dust and debris. Then comes the roasting process, where precise time and temperature awaken the cocoa's deep, signature flavor. The roasted beans are ground into a thick, rich paste, then pressed to extract cocoa butter, forming solid cocoa cakes, each weighing around 7 kilograms. These cakes are then refined into a fine cocoa powder, the key ingredient behind Kit Kat's iconic chocolate. This powder is mixed with sugar, milk powder, cocoa butter, and a few secret ingredients in massive mixers until it becomes a velvety chocolate mass. Through a process called conching, the chocolate is refined even further to achieve that silky, melt-in-your-mouth texture. It's then tempered, heated, and cooled to just the right temperature to prevent crystal formation and give it a glossy finish. Meanwhile, the heart of the Kit Kat, the wafer, is being made with equal precision. A blend of wheat flour, sugar, vegetable fats, and a special leavening agent is mixed into a thick batter and baked at over 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just 30 seconds. The result? Perfectly crispy wafers cooled with gentle air to lock in their crunch. Here's a fun fact. Broken or imperfect Kit Kats are ground into a fine powder and reused in the creamy filling between wafer layers, making Kit Kat a near zero waste candy bar. If this behind-the-scenes look into the world of chocolate blew your mind, be sure to subscribe. Once stacked and filled, these wafers glide down a conveyor and are showered in flowing ribbons of chocolate. 3 delicate layers coat every bar, covering every edge, and a final wafer is placed on top, completing the masterpiece. Precision blades cut each bar into perfect portions, and any flawed ones are instantly rejected and recycled. Now the transformation enters high speed. A simple phrase that invites you to pause, relax, and enjoy a sweet escape from the hustle of everyday life. The perfect bars are swiftly wrapped in foil and then that iconic red wrapper thanks to robotic arms that work at lightning speed. And just like that, the bars are ready for the world. Every single day, over 8 million Kit Kats roll off the production line, destined for shelves across the globe. And of course, there's the unforgettable slogan, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat."